attachment. I had attachment problems. But the second time is worse.
So people really just do this just because they want to see what it is about.
Yes. I have the best Uber driver. I love that for you. Listen, it's like every time I take an Uber, the I don't even know what to say. Every time I take it, it's like you guys one up the last trip. Yes. Yes.
Uber is a lifestyle, yeah?
Right?
It's an experience.
Right? How are you? Yes. I've been hearing quite a bit of different things from different people. I guess it's something new and people are just like, oh, them beating out the taxi outside them work.
A pleasant surprise. I was very anxious.
Yes.
I'm like, you never know who. I was thinking I was going to do a one ride.
Yeah.
And the first
And
person
then
I met was so pleasant. He was
yes.
so decent.
Have you been like anxious for persons to come in your car like you don't know who they are?
Not as much as I thought I'd be. If something does happen, I can track them. Because I don't have the information, but Uber does. I don't know how the ride's coming. I don't know where they're coming from.
You just see it pop up and say, okay.
It just pops up and it shows you
Someone
how far
in
away
your
it
area.
is.
Because I was wondering all of that because I'm just like, okay, we see the rundown and everything happening from the passenger side. But what is happening on the driver's side?
I don't know nothing.
We do see your picture.
I don't see yours.
Yeah.
I don't even know who I was looking for.
Yeah.
I don't know how much you're charged for the trip until it's done. So
Oh.
literally, I don't know anything about the trip apart. So, and I don't even know where I'm carrying you until I pick you up.
Oh, wow.
So that in itself is so much safety for riders.
Yes.
Because like,
Wow, I
the
thought
first
you-
one that showed up was well, actually I don't see a name until I accept it. I saw that okay, like a while ago it popped up
Oh, wow.
on social media. I'm like, you know those people who are trying to cheat the system, which don't make no sense.
Right.
because Once it's reported to Uber, you are now officially kicked off. This is not
Yeah,
Jamaica.
this is
like
not
international
exactly because when I saw the user interface with the app, I was like blown away. This is me. I'm so upset to finish now.
Oh, you don't need to go.
No. You were amazing for my first time. I could cry. So she's here. She's here. She's here. She's here. Hi, friend. I guess it will force persons to get with the times. Not the first time was like attachment. I had attachment problems. But the second time is worse.
That is quite fine.
If I had $1,000 I don't change, I would still give it $1,000 happily. Girl, don't ever change. I hope you get an Uber award. Seriously. Listen, you have to get the experience, you know? The experience.
You can record it now. Just want the Uber
experience, yeah. To go tell people like, you know, it's a good thing. What wrong with that?
So people really just do this just because they want to see what it is about.
Yes. I have the best Uber driver. If you get him, take him number. Oh, you give me 5 stars?
Yeah, you can give me a 5 star.
Ah, you going to get more than 5 stars. Oh, I got my receipt.
You got a receipt?
I got a receipt. What?
Yeah,
Oh God! No, I can't come out, but I don't want to come out. Like I've had the best.
Yeah.
You made my day.
Take
You
care,
made
man.
my
Have a
day.
good day.
Take care. I
Say,
didn't
I'm
know
on
that.
my way. Yeah,
Oh.
once it is that I accept it and say, oh, I'm on my way, and we start conversing, then
You can't.
then you
Well,
can,
you can, but you have a
but there's a
cancellation.
fee.
Okay.
Right.
And it's not a lot. Like
No.
it's not like some
No, it's not a
exorbitant.
lot. So it's just there's a cancellation fee for example, Uber saying, "Oh, you wasted my time." So
Yeah, I think that should work. Yes, lad.
reported it to Uber that
You're
yeah, she
joking.
reported it to Uber. They give for the 5-star. So they gave
That's
me
amazing.
bonus. And
I love that for you. I love it. Yes. Listen, I can tell everybody like, hey, yes, if you see him, take him.
Yes.
Don't cancel.
Don't cancel.
Don't cancel.
Despite the traffic.
Don't cancel. He's on his way. What? I love it for you, friend.
Yep.
Like I've gotten a new friend that I'll never see again because apparently you can't pick who you want to get picked up by.
Right.
So it's like a new experience.
Right,
every
and
time.
we don't get to choose who we pick up because the thing is when it comes up, we do not see your name. We just see that, oh, there's someone 4 minutes we're requesting a pickup.
Fraud like 2 times. But you say you're going, what? Go walk. Go walk. Sorry about that. Hi. I was in the middle of messaging you, but then. Yeah, that's not the case. That's not the case. I see the prices raised
Where?
on Uber.
Really?
Oh gosh.
We drive every day, so
Yeah.
I will find it.
Yeah.
I live, Barbican side,
Oh.
so a lot of the areas I'm familiar with. About it.
Mm-hmm.
You know how much time we drive past this and we never...
Right? Listen. Listen. It's like every time I take an Uber, the I don't even know what to say. Every time I take it, it's like you guys one up the last trip.
Really?
Yes. Yes. Oh gosh. That was exciting. Oh gosh. I want to be a driver now. Yes, friend. Yes. I love that. Like, and I learn something every day because I'm just like, what, make sure that you guys have your things set.
Yeah.
And that, international people not taking you for a joke.
Yeah. What workout,
Because I look at the reviews too, because if people don't know what I'm saying.
It's a lifestyle, yeah?
Right?
It's an experience.
Right?
It's
Listen!
not no taxi, it's Quava
Crosses!
I like your energy.
Thank you! Thank you! Oh, it's a party!
Yeah.
I like your energy from you stepping and you be like, Lexi! I was like, oh! You're awesome!
Yeah.
I've not had a bad experience. I've not had a bad
And I
experience.
hope you're done.
Right?
I hope Lexi say hi.
Hi!
Yeah, man, brother. People know you're
You're doing the thing!
Go make me proud.
Aww. But you gonna do your thing too, man?
Yeah.
Cause, by the way, your name's Prince?
Yes.
Like Prince?
I'm now go check your card. That's the actual name.
That you have to sign up
driver's
with.
license
Oh,
and
gee.
everything. So, yeah, I'm the Prince.
Yes, friend. That is so nice. I'm so happy for you guys. Like, I'm rooting for you guys. Like, honest to God.
We are rooting for you too, guys. So, that's why we're there road, because we realize that the traffic and the audience is there. You guys are there, and a lot of young people are there. This is some 30 at the year old are you?
Yeah.
So, and a lot of persons that travel.
Yes.
And then have the app. Listen to me now, come on. Yeah, yeah. Because I mean, you plan to park my car and take it, and anybody will.
Right? Yeah. 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 Listen, this is the highlight of my day, okay? Oh God, you guys, woo! Love it. Uber can't get any better than this. And then I see more cars in my area now. I don't think they did it before.
as drivers, but there's still not enough drivers
Yeah.
to the amount of person.
You're doing good. You have a 5-star rating, so hello. Big up to you.
Yeah, so far. We don't even know what she gone so far. So you never the fan sitter.
Right.
Big up Lexi.
You made my day too. Best believe this is my highlight. And all I got Jolly Rancher.
Yes, girl.
It's the little things, man. It's the little things. Good vibe people do the thing.
Yes. Yes. Love that. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh God. I'm never driving again, man.
Alright, later.
Oh my goodness. Every single time I take out Uber, I swear.
Where you